And good afternoon, 9E. We are going to proceed on with the numericals today. We are going to try to take the numericals based upon speed, average speed, fine, distance, displacement, acceleration we have done too. So let's begin. I'm going to take the questions from your book. So you can open your book side by side. If you don't have, no problem, I'm going to open it over here. So the first question we are going to take is (8.1) on page number 101. 8.1 on page 101. Anji, the question is very easy. Kindly read it once. Then we are going to solve it onto the screen as well. Fine. Read it once. Try to understand. Try to solve it. Then we do it onto the screen as well. It's already done. Already solved. So we are going to understand it better. Hanji, kindly read once. Okay, Ji. So done. The question is, let's read the question. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds, then 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Fine. So if you can draw the figure for this, you can say, let's say this is the total path covered. Fine. The object is going to cover the first 16 meter and then going to cover the next 16 meter. First 16 is covered in 4 seconds. Next 16 is covered in 2 seconds. What is the average speed? Average speed ke liye we are going to do the total of all the distances. Like here we have 16 plus 16, it gives 32 meter. Then we do total of all the time. Make one thing sure that you will be having the distances in same form. Like aisa na ho, one is in kilometer, one is in meter and you start adding. No. You have to first bring them into the standard, that is into meter, and then you have to do it. Same way with time. So it is in 4 seconds, 2 seconds. Okay. Add kara, you get it as 6 seconds. Now apply the formula. Average speed is equal to total distance over total time. Fine. You have to write the formula. Conversion थी नहीं करी. First हमने given लिखा. Conversion is not there. Now we have written the formula. Then we substituted the values. 32 divided by 6. And when you divide, you will get the answer as 5.33. Make sure that after the point, you go with 2 digits. Fine. Point के बाद you have to go till 2 digits. And by the way, it is not 2 digits. You have to go with 3 digits after the point, and then you have to bring it back to 2. समझ में आया what I said? आप जब solve करोगे, आप point के बाद 3 digits तक जाओगे, and then you leave. Fine. And then you have to convert it into 2 digits. I am going to tell you how. Fine. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 8.2 on page number 102. With this, I am going to explain you that how wala point. And you read the question. The odometer of the car needs 2000 km at the start of the trip and 2400 km at the end of the trip. Odometer होता है the device fitted to tell the distance. होता है ना कि इतना distance गाड़ी ने cover कर लिया है. So that is the device called odometer. So in the start of the trip, odometer पे लिखा था 2000. At the end of the trip, it is written 2400. If the trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed in kilometer per hour and in meter per second. Question clear हुआ? You have to find out the average speed. Okay, odometer पे starting में it is written 22,000. End में it is written 2400. So what is the distance covered? You know that there are many auto rickshaws. When you sit in the rickshaw, they on the meter, and when you stop at the final position, they off it. और फिर वो देखते हैं कि कितना distance cover किया, and they accordingly charge from you. Yes. So okay. हाँ जी पुष्पेंद्र. You're not able to unmute yourself.
No, ma'am, I said it was clear.
Ma'am,
अच्छा ओके, ठीक है जी, ठीक.
you have unmuted me.
हाँ जी, अच्छा ओके, सॉरी. हाँ जी. So is this clear? 2400 minus 2000 gives you 400. So you have find out the distance. Time is given to you 8 hours. How can you find out the average velocity? Total distance, total time. Total distance means whatever the distances you have, add them. यहाँ पे whatever distances are not given, only one distance is there, that is 400 kilometers. है ना? So 400 divided by 8, you got the answer as 50 kilometer per hour. Is this clear? Now they also said that convert it into meter per second. अब इसको meter per second में भी convert करना है. कैसे करोगे? By multiplying it with 5/18. I told you. डायरेक्टली मल्टी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, किलोमीटर के कितने मीटर बना दिए, 1000 मीटर. आवर में हाउ मेनी सेकेंड्स, 3600. एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू कैंसल इट, 2 zeros will be cancelled directly. Rest you have 2 5s are 10, and 2 18s are 36. So you left up with 18 over 5 over 18. That is why I am saying that rather than doing this calculation, if you just multiply the number with 5 over 18, then also you will get the answer. Okay. So 2 9s are 18, 2 25s are 50. Now 25 multiplied by 5 is 125. Divide by 9. Now here I am going to explain you the division. Your eyes onto the screen, everyone. Division 125 divide by 9. कैसे divide करोगे? 9 ones are 9. आती है division? You left up with 3. 5 came here. Then 9 4s are 36, which is greater. So 9 3s are 27. You left up with 8. Put a dot here. You will get 0. 8s are 72. Again you will get 8. Again 8s are 72. Again you will get 8. Again 8s are 72. Bus. Again you are getting 8, but we will not solve it anymore. So what the answer we get is? We get 13.888. Now after the decimal we got 3 digits. Now we are going to convert it into 2. Last digit, if it is smaller than 5, simply remove it. If it is greater than 5, remove it, but in the next one you have to add 1. So it is going to be 13.89. अगर 1 digit में लेके आना है तो 9 है, तो next में फिर 1 आ जाएगा. It is going to be 13.9. So this is your answer, 13.9. Even if you write 13.89, that is also correct. Going to explain it once more. Let's say you have the number 1.26. Next number you have is 1.25. Next number you have is 1.28. Let's say these are the 3 numbers in front of you. You have to bring it to 1 decimal place. Point के बाद 1 number. Okay. You will see the second number first. Just a minute. Instead of writing 6, I am writing here 4. So you will see the second number first. Second number is what? It is 4, which is smaller than 5. Which is smaller than 5. So you are simply going to erase this. So what is the answer? 1.2. Done? कितना आंसर आया? 1.2. Now look on to the next one. Here you have second number 5. So you will remove it, but you add 1 in the previous number. So 2 की जगह पे 3 आ जाएगा और 5 remove. Similarly, यहाँ पे 8 है, which is greater than 5. So 2 की जगह पे 3 आएगा and 8 will be removed. Definitely you are going to remove that. But if it is 5 or greater than 5, तो previous number में 1 add करोगे. If it is smaller than 5, then you will simply remove it. I hope it is clear. Okay, जी. So there is one more question. You can try it yourself. Fine. We have covered till now till 103 page. We will go on with graphical representation, but later. Fine. In the next class, we are going to read the book portion till 103. एक बार आप revision करना इसकी. If you face any doubt, we are going to clear it in the next class. Fine. and then after that we will go with the graphs. Chale. Let's take one more numerical. Now we will take the unsolved one. Okay. So this is the beginning of the chapter. Okay, so we have the blue questions on page number 100. Blue questions on page number 100. I am going to take second question from here, which is a numerical. A farmer moves along the boundary of the square field having side 10 meter. Square field है, sides कितनी है? 10 meter. And to move around the sides, farmer took 40 seconds. 40 seconds में one round is completed of that square field. What will be the magnitude of the displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from the initial position? You are going to start from the initial position. 2 मिनट 20 सेकेंड के बाद कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा? We have to find that. Question clear हुआ? Square field है. Let's read the question again. Let's underline the important keywords given in the question. So you have a square field. Side is given 10 meter. You know कि square field है तो चारों sides बराबर होंगी. So it is going to be 10, 10, 10, 10. One round is taken in 40 seconds. 2 मिनट 20 सेकेंड के बाद कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट हुआ? You have to find that. Magnitude of displacement. चलिए, let's take you to the screen. Anji Kritika, yes beta. Questions today. Any doubt in any of the questions? Done? Chalo. God bless you all. So with this, I'm going to end the class here. In the next class, we are going to have the discussion from the book till page number 103. Okay? Chalo. God bless you. Bye-bye.